I'm gonna show you how to hard restart your iPhone. Your iPhone 8, this is my iPhone 8. For some reason, when I'm trying to slide to the right or left, I cannot do it. So if I wanna restart it, I shut it down, I'm holding this button right here for like 3 seconds, but I can't even slide it. To hard start or hard reboot this iPhone, the only thing you need to do is, you see this volume up and down and this power button over here. You want to do this fairly quick. You want to hit the volume up once, the volume down once, and then hold this button. So we're going to do it together. So we're going to hit the volume up, down, and hold this button. And you hold it until the screen turns black or dark. Once that happens, you let it go. Once you let it go, it should come on in about 30 seconds. So let's wait here 30 seconds. I'm gonna fast forward through this 30 seconds because 30 seconds watching a video is a very, very long time. So after this 30 seconds, this is what we got. And I'm gonna see if it works now. Oh, there we go. Before I couldn't, the screen was locked up and I couldn't move it up or down or anything. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.